Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Li Ming. When it comes to a weeknight dinner, I always don't have too much time to cook, and the easy and quick recipes are winners to me. So today we're gonna be making a super easy teriyaki inspired fried salmon. Yes, that's right. The delicious, nutritious meal comes together in just about 20 minutes. And it's so tasty and perfectly combining sweet, salty, and rosemary flavors all together. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need: honey, rosemary, and of course you will need salmon fillets. These are the 2 pieces of salmon fillets, weighted about 6 to 7 ounces each, and lemon, and soy sauce, and water. And also you will need about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. We will fry salmon in a very short time to keep the tenderness and also reduce the negative impact of the nutrition. So we will marinate the fillets for about 15 minutes. I already have a half cup of water here, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then 1 teaspoon of honey. Also 1 teaspoon of squeezed lemon juice. Stir them together to melt the honey. Now I'm gonna add the minced garlic and the peanut butter. Stir them for a few seconds. And get peanut butter melt a bit. You don't have to wait for the peanut butter to fully melt. This is just for marinade. And the marinade will be used for the sauce, for the glaze to cook. Finally, we're going to add half teaspoon of rosemary. Now the marinade is done, and we're going to pour it to the salmon. Okay, let's set it aside for about 15 minutes. While waiting for the salmon to be ready, I'm gonna cut a few slices of lemon to make a very simple garnish. And I'm gonna also cut some lettuce at the side. I will microwave some frozen sweet corns to make another side. Preheat fry pan over medium heat. Wait for about 20 seconds and you will feel the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is hot but not smoking, add the marinated salmon. Now start to count for 2 minutes for this side. Here is a tip. We want to keep the tenderness, so don't overcook. Just 2 minutes. If longer, fillets will get tough and dry, and that is not what we want. When the 2 minutes is up, flip over to cook on the other side for 2 minutes straight. The 2 minutes is over. I just put the salmon in the plate, but it's not ready yet. Now we put the leftover marinade to the pan and continue to heat to get the liquid reduced. When the liquid gets thick, turn off the heat. Now pour the liquid on the salmon. It smells so delicious. I cannot wait to have a bite. It's so tender, flavorful, and juicy. And this dish is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. So just cook 2 minutes per side when you fry the salmon. Don't overcook, and it will stay juicy and yummy. Oh, I love it. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and also comment down below and subscribing for more. See you real soon. Bye.